Hello, we are reviewing the smallest model of the PARKSIDE hammer drill. Model PABH 20Li-C3. Cordless hammer drill is suitable for hammer drilling into brickwork, concrete and stone, drilling into stone, wood and metal, screwing into wood and metal. Package contents. Operating instructions. 10 mm round shank drill chuck, SDS-plus fitting. Cordless hammer drill. Grease. 3 SDS-plus drills 06, 8 and 10 mm. Bit extension. 3 drills 05, 6 and 8 mm. 8 bits PH1, PH2, PZ1, PZ2, T20, T25. Cordless hammer drill technical specifications. Nominal voltage, 20 volts DC. Idle speed, N0, 900 RPM. Impact energy, approximate 1 joule. Max drill diameter, 8 mm for metal, 10 mm for concrete and 16 mm for wood. Rechargeable battery lithium-ion PAP20A1 type. Rated voltage output battery, 20 volts DC. Rated current, 4 amperes. Capacity, 2 amperes. The package does not contain a battery. Drill or hammer drill switch. SDS-plus tool holder. Rotation direction switch and on-off switch. LED work light. This appliance has a 3-year warranty. Before fitting a tool into the tool holder, grease it lightly. Let's try it out. The good things about this drill are: tire on the SDS holder, LED working light. Disadvantages: no axle lock. Drill hammer drill switch is hard to turn. I think this is a good buy.